Well, the wind is blowing up here.
Yeah, I know. I'm enjoying it.
I like it a lot.
Whoa. Look at that pile of bones. Jeez.
Let's see, that's a dead cow. Really dead.
Ooh, bunch of rocks sticking out of the middle of the road through here.
Yeah, them dudes hit hard.
There's a bunch of them. Oh, there's a rock right there.
Yeah, and you hit it.
Well, I didn't hit the rock I was looking at though.
Oh.
There was a loose rock that was even bigger in the middle of the trail.
Can't dodge them all.
Nope.
I try to, but I don't know what this gets into either. But it does go on to another road or trail. It's not a dead end like the other one. But there is a little squiggly down here somewhere. Whoa.
Stay on the left side there. Or well, I mean,
That's loose.
that's not too deep over there. It don't matter. Some big old anthills through here.
Yeah, they are.
Those are a lot bigger than the other ones. Them are like built up. Them are ant mountains.
Never seen them in Missouri.
Nope. Not that big.
Small. Here's the curvy part. Maybe nothing, but on the map it shows it's S-curve. Oh, good. It's S-curve through the bottom. Not an S-curve down a canyon. Dang, it's an S-curve through a creek. What it looks like.
Yeah.
Well, we was talking about following the creek earlier. That's what we're doing now.
Yep.
I call them creeks, but basically I guess it's a wash. Ain't no water in here. Only if it rains a lot.
I'm confused.
You're
Does it go
on
through
it.
here?
Yeah, you're still on it. I can see it on the map.
I was about to say, it looks like it goes through here.
Right down the creek bed.
Because it looks like there's like 2-lane tire track. Yeah, you can see where it turns right here.
Mm-hmm.
This is a pretty neat little trail that you can't hardly see.
Gets squiggly again down there, probably just down through the
I'm
creek.
guessing it turns probably right here.
Yeah, somewhere right here.
Or either that or up there. Can't tell.
Yeah, you're on it. Right here. Looks like. Ooh.
Man, this is awesome through here.
I like this one. Yeah, we're actually off of it. I guess it's to our right, just a hair.
Yeah, see, that's what I was saying. I think it went up to the right, not right here.
Now we're back on it. Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Right here. It's kind of hard to see. Check that out. There's your hill climb.
Yeah.
If you can make it. I'd definitely film you. I don't want to film you tearing your bike up.
Give me a little CR125 and I might try.
Usually come out on another road. Crazy. Crazy off-road here.
It's crazy how this road actually drives through like a decent bit of the creek.
Yeah. I guess they figured that's the best place to put it.
Yeah, there's a road right here. It tees right here.
Well, let me see where we're at. Parker Canyon's what it says.
Oh, bad place to stop.
I guess we'll take a left through this way.
So you do it right there.
So you make a lot of dust.
Oh, there's a deer to the right. It's a buck.
There it goes. Look at them horns on that dude.
That's a nice little buck. Dang. Look at that. He is trotting through there.
Keep moving.
He's booking it. Or bucking it, I guess you could say.
Keep bucking it. Okay, guys, we're gonna
right on the left.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end this video here. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We got lots more of these adventures on the way. Get you all in the next one. Right on.